Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the GTA 5 critical error for script hook, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is, well, first of all, the script hook isn't the actual issue. The error isn't from script hook, it's from GTA Online. It's that every time there's an update there's a chance of it not being compatible with script hook. So other than that you can't really do anything other than wait. But what you can do is you can check to see if there are any updates available for GTA 5 Online, and you can do that by just going over to Steam, going down to a library and look for GTA 5, make sure it's up to date. You can do the same thing on Epic Games Launcher as well. Go to library, just make sure it's up to date, because script hook, you don't really have to do anything on script hook's end. All you have to do is just make sure that the latest update of GTA 5 Online is compatible with script hook, because if it's not, then all you can do is simply wait until the next update so they fix that issue. But again, all you can do is just make sure to see if the game is up to date, and if it's not, go ahead and update it. And yeah, that should be it. Other than that, you can't really do anything else. You can't really reinstall ScriptHook or anything like that, because again, the error, is with GTA 5 Online, it not being compatible with ScriptHook. So all you can do is just wait and make sure that your game is up to date, and make sure that or just wait for them to fix the issue. So other than that, again, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.